Okay, we have the place value of a number. Yeah. And let's see how we, we are going to identify the place value of a number. If you see here, we have a number that is made of 10 digits. Okay, this is a huge number. Uh, um, what is the place value? We're going to start with about what is the place value. Let's see, place value of a number. What is the place value? Okay, the place value is the value. Okay, the place that every digit has in the number. Every digit in the number has its own place value. You see here, I marked in blue all the digits of this number. Okay, this number is 3,123,457,245. Okay, so let's start. What is the place value of number 5? Okay, the place value, okay, is 5. And the, the value of this number is 1. Okay, so let's write the letter O. Letter O means 1. Okay, then the next number that is to the left is tens. Okay, tens. Tens. Why tens? Because there are 4 tens every. Okay, so we have 1 ten, 2 tens, okay, that means 20, 3 tens, okay, 4 tens. If you notice here, the difference between tens and ones is that ones are like this: 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, and with this one is second, 5 ones. Okay, if you see 5 ones and 10 and 4 tens. Okay, 4 tens is made of 10 units. In here, 5 ones is the 5 units. Okay, 4 tenths is every unit is made of tenth of 10 ones. Okay, and here are just 5 ones. Then let's talk about the other. Okay, let's go with the next number. The next digit is hundreds. Okay, so I'm gonna write a H in this place value because it's hundreds means 2. Okay, now hundreds is that every digit the value of this number is 200. Okay, but it's made of 100 and another 100. So if you see here, okay, now number 2 is 200 because it's made of 2 units of 100 each. So that's the reason that we have 200. In the same case is 7,000. Okay, the next number that we have here is 1,000. Okay, the place value of 7 is 1,000. Okay, now 1,000, 7,000. So that means that every digit of 1,000, okay, okay, that means that every unit of 1,000, okay, is in that place value. Okay, so 7,000 is made of 7 units of 1,000 each. Okay, so the digit 7 is in the place value of 1,000. Okay, then we continue and we have 10,000. Okay, we have 10,000. I want to explain later why this is 10,000. 10,000. A little bit usually here is T, that means 10, because I'm using abbreviation because it's very hard to place the whole word here. Okay, so 10,000. You see here, this T means 10, like the tensile here, and thousand means the place value, okay, that we have here. Okay, we are after this comma, all the numbers are in thousand place value. So this comma means, let's erase a little bit this. Okay, so I was saying that the comma between 7 and 2 means thousand. Okay, so this is here. Okay, so that means thousand. If you see here, now the digit are in thousands place value and is 7, and the digit in 10,000 place value is 5. If you notice, always we have to understand that every 3 digits we write a comma, and that comma has a change the set uh, of of the value. For example, here all the numbers are here are ones, and all the numbers are here are thousands. All the numbers are here are, are millions. Okay, so let's talk about all these numbers now that I'm gonna write in this area are thousands. Okay, that means that comma means thousand. That means that these numbers are thousands. Okay, let's continue with the next digit, that is 4. And what is 4? 4 is 100,000. Okay. Why 100? Okay, because it's in 100 place value. 1,000 because it's in the set of numbers that are in 1,000. Okay, so 100,000. That's it. H means 100 and DH means thousands. Okay, so this is the number in. Okay, so 4 is in 100,000. Now, how many numbers, what is the value of this? Is 400,000. That means that there are every unit of 100,000. Okay, 4 units of 100,000 make 400,000. Okay, let's continue. And the next comma means that we are in, okay, millions. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. We are in millions. Okay, you see, 1, the digit 2, the digit 3, all they are in millions. We're gonna write the word millions here. Okay, now if you hear all the numbers, okay, to the left of this comma are millions. Okay, so now this one, what is the place value of this? This is ones, because million, we have million m. Okay, then we have 10 million tm. Okay, and then we have 100 million because it's in 100. Okay, H M. So we have million, 3 is in millions, 2 is in 10 million, and 1 is in 100 million. Now, why this is tens, 10 million and 100 million? Why is this 100,000, 10,000, thousands? Okay, now let's see something. Here we have the numbers. Okay, all these numbers are called ones. Okay. Why? Because they are before the comma. So the numbers that are in ones are hundreds, okay, tens, and ones. Okay, so all hundred, tens, and ones are in this area, in the area of ones. Now, what happened with uh, what happened with the numbers in that part, in this part? Okay, all these numbers that are here, okay, all these numbers, okay, 4, 5, 7 are in thousands. Okay, so these numbers are in thousands. So numbers are in thousands. If you see 2, 4, 2, 4, and 5 are in ones. What means that? That its place value is 1, tens, okay, and 100. And what happened here? I am writing thousands. Okay, so these four numbers, 4, 5, and 7 are in thousands. Okay, now if these numbers are in thousands, okay, why we have thousand, 10,000, 100,000? Because it's the same thing here. If you notice, 4 is in hundreds, but 100 what? 100,000. Okay. H means 100 and T means thousand, so TH, okay, 100,000. So, so he was saying that 4 is in 100,000. What about 5? 5 is in tens. You see, we take a look at this. So 457, 5 is in tens, but 10,000 is in tens, but is in 10,000. 10,000. T means tens, 10, and th means thousand. And 7, is in ones. No, it's not in ones. It's in the place value 1,000. Okay, that means 1,000. If you notice here, every set of number starts with the place value that is on top. First, we mention the place value that is in ones, and then the place value that is after the comma, that is 1,000 in this time. So 7, okay, it's not 7 ones, it's 7,000, because with 7 we start 1,000, the H. Okay, so 1,000, okay, is the H. Okay, here I made a mistake, so I wrote T. Okay. So let's see the other part. In the other part we have 1, 2, 3, and these numbers, this number 1, 2, 3, are written in millions. Okay, so what about 3? The other 3, but the other 3 is written in billions. Now, millions. So, if 4, 5, and 7 were written in thousands, and we have 400,000, 5,000, 10,000, and 7,000. Okay. Here we have 3 millions, 2 10 millions, and 100 millions. Okay, so the H means that is in hundreds. Okay, so 1 is in 100. So 1 is in 100. And the M means this is in 100 millions. So the place value is 100 millions. 100 millions. Then 2. 2 is in tens. Okay, but we are talking about millions. Is 10 million. And 3, okay, is in ones, but it's not ones. Then 3 is in millions. Okay, so the difference between ones, okay, and thousands, and millions is that when we mention hundred, tens, and ones, we say hundred, tens, and ones. Okay, hundred, tens, and ones. Okay, the difference here is that we add the word thousands to hundred tens. And instead of saying ones, we set the place value that continue, that is 1000. Instead of saying ones in here, in this number 3, we set millions. Okay, so I forgot to write here millions. Okay, now if you see here, the next digit in the set is, okay, this one. And this comma means the separation between 3 and 1. This is 100 millions, and this place value is billions. Letter B. Okay, so this comma means that number 3 is billion. Okay, if you see first, we have ones, then we have thousands, okay, then we have millions, and at last, right now, because numbers are infinite, okay, now we have billions. Okay, so this is 3 billions. Okay, and now we identify the place value of a number from ones through billions. Okay, through billions. Now, to make a quick review, we have ones, tens, hundreds that are in the family of ones. We have 7, 5, and 4 that are in the family of thousands. We have 1, 2, and 3 that are in the family of millions. Okay, and we have 3 that belongs to the family of billions. Okay, so the place value of this number, every digit has a place value. 5 is in ones. Okay, so this 5 is in ones. This 4 is in tens. Number 2 is in hundred. Number 7 is in thousands. Okay, this is TH because it's the abbreviation for thousand. Number 5 is in 10,000. Number 4 is in 100,000. Okay, then we go to another family of number. Number 3 is in millions. Number 2 is in 10 millions. And Number 1 is in 100 billion. Okay, 100 million. And then 3 is in billion. So uh, uh, we use the place value, okay, uh, to know where is the place and what is the place value of every digit. Okay, here place value of 5 is 5, place value of 4 is 40, the place value of 2 is 200, the place value of 7 is 7,000, the place value of 5 is 50,000, the place value of 4 is 400,000, the place value of 3 is 3 million, the place value of 2 is 20 millions or 20 millions, the place value of 1 is 100 millions, and the place value of 3 is 3 billion. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so that's what we have about the place value. And what is the use of? We use the place value to identify the digit number. Okay, let's do some practice. Okay, so let's do some practice with some numbers. So we're gonna write we're gonna write 3,745. Okay, now tell me what is the place value of the underlying number. Okay, now we have three. Okay, we have 52,000. Okay, 2,357. Okay, now tell me what is the place value of number 5. Okay, the one that is underlined. Now this number, okay, is 1,500,000. So you're going to tell me what is the place value of 1,500,000. If we notice here, we are reading the number that has place value. The numbers who has place value. At this time, there is no value for ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, just for 100,000 and 1,000,000. So when we read the number, we say 1,500,000, and that's it. Okay. Now let's see. While I was writing the numbers, did you find these answers? Okay. You can write abbreviations or you can write the complete word. Okay. So I was saying that we can write abbreviations or the complete word, but let's change. Now, here, the underlying number in what place value is. That's right. This is 100. Did 52,357. Okay. In what place value do you think that is number 5? Yes, that's right. It's in tens. Okay, so the place value that is marked is million. So if you notice, we identify some place value, and that's what you have to do, but you have to do it fast. Okay, in the time that you have a class work in which you are going to find the place value of a number. Okay, this is the value of the number. Okay, the place value. So um, let's practice some more, and if you need to watch the video, you have to watch it, and so you will learn and be proficient in this place value thing.